Welcome to the prestigious Sherwood at Huntington Condos, located at 1900 Bayview Avenue. A luxury 8-story condominium building nestled within a private enclave of the upscale Lawrence Park neighbourhood in Midtown Toronto. Unit 428 is a 2-bedroom condo with 2 washrooms, as well as oversized windows with south-facing exposures, allowing for abundant natural light throughout the day. The entrance foyer, the bedrooms, and its open concept living space all showcase hardwood flooring, upgraded trims and baseboards, and upgraded interior doors, with the living room additionally featuring a coffered ceiling finished with crown moldings. Its wall of windows floods bright light into the room, while their light-diffusing blinds provide privacy when desired, and this space also has a walkout onto a south-facing balcony. With luxurious appointments and modern details, the efficiently designed kitchen showcases pot lighting, stone countertops with breakfast seating and a stainless steel undermount sink at the peninsula, as well as built-in stainless steel appliances including a wall oven, microwave, and a 4-burner gas cooktop. A built-in dishwasher, fridge, and its 2 freezer drawers are paneled to seamlessly blend with contemporary cream-colored cabinetry finished with crown moldings, while under-cabinet lighting accentuates a tiled backsplash. Off the foyer area is a coat closet, a laundry area with stacked washer and dryer, and the common use washroom, which features a glass shower with rainfall shower head, a vanity with stone counter, pot lights, as well as polished floor and shower wall tiles. The second bedroom is quite spacious and features an oversized double closet, while the master suite, which is also very spacious, features a walk-in closet with organizers. Its stunning ensuite washroom showcases pot lighting, a vanity with double basins and contemporary lighting, a soaker tub, and a separate glass shower with rainfall shower head, as well as stone finishes including the polished floor and wall tiles, the vanity counter, and the accent trims. Building amenities include 24-hour concierge and security, a fitness center and yoga studio, an indoor pool, whirlpool, and saunas, a party and meeting room with a bar and a catering kitchen, guest suites and visitor parking, as well as lovely outdoor gardens. The Sherwood Park Ravine and its nature trails is steps from the building, while within a short walk or a short drive away is access to Highway 401 and the Don Valley Parkway, the Rosedale Golf Club, the Granite Club, elite private schools, a wide variety of shops and restaurants, as well as Sunnybrook Health Sciences Centre and its surrounding parklands.